Hi cutie, Grace here. Today I'm going to draw a fire. So let's get started. First, draw a curve downwards. And outwards. Continue here by drawing like this. Slowly. Just following with me. And now we will draw a small fire. Now, 2 round big eyes, a circle inside, and a smaller circle inside. Draw the details, a curve, slowly. Here too a curve. Inside with 3 lines. Here too. Now we will draw the mouth. A curve here. Just following with me. Inside a line. Color it red here. Now we have a fire. I really hope I made it fun and easy for you to follow in with me and inspire you to draw it too. Thank you so much for watching. If you love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. See you later.